So first thing we need to do is we need to rename the file so that we know that this one is a preview and this one is a thumbnail file. So in this case, what we do is the JPEGs. What we do is we select it and we drop it into a software called Namechanger. In case of Mac, we use Namechanger. In case of Windows, there's a software called Advanced Renamer, and there are a few other softwares which can be used to rename files. So the first thing that we want to do over here is we want to append. Append is to add something to the front. So in the front, we're going to add a space bar and PRIV. Okay, so if you increase this, you can see that now it's added a preview file after the name. It will ask you whether you want to remove the extension. Go ahead and remove the extensions. Okay, so now if you go to the file itself, you can see that it's been renamed with preview. What we need to do is we need to clear these and bring these back here, and again you say append and you say .jpg and rename. Okay, so once you've done that, if you go here, now you can see that these are renamed to preview files. So what you can do is you can start throwing these here in the original. So we would like to add preview to the end of these as well. So what we're going to do is we clear here, remember the extensions, drop it here. First thing is what we do is okay, and again, as you can see, it has added the preview video at the end. More extensions, clear all. Here again you see that it doesn't show the thumbnail of the video, so go and throw things here again. Now in this case, .mp4. Okay, let's double check if this is. There you go. Okay, so we rename all, and here you go. MP4s are ready as well. So again, you select these and throw them in the original files. So we have this ready, this done. Now are the thumbnails. So you're going to clear this, go to all the thumbnails. This could be as many as you want, up to 200, 1000, whatever is necessary. Again, space, preview, append all, remove extensions, clear, and then again throw it here, and then these are not pen. You can see the difference as soon as you click on it. So we have all the 4 files required. Next, we throw in the thumbnail files. This goes throw them here. Right, space, thumbnails. Rename, remove extensions. Do this clearing, select this and drop them again.